We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about group and executive decision support system. As we see in our previous lectures that decision support systems helps managers uh, to give decisions very quickly and unbiasedly. Group decision support system and executive decision support system are some broad categories of DSS, decision support system. Let's first discuss the GDSS, that is a group decision support system. uh, GDSS is an interactive computer based system that is used to facilitate the solution of unstructured problems. In GDSs, there are set of decision makers working together as a group. In DSS, there is only one decision maker, but in GDSs, there are set of decision makers. GDSs make meetings more productive by providing tools to facilitate planning, generating, organizing, and evaluating ideas. It also used for establishing priorities and documenting meeting proceedings for others in the firm. GDS is originally developed for meeting in which all participants are in the same room. But nowadays, these GDSS systems used for networks meetings in which participants are in their different locations. Now let's discuss some group system tools. As you see in the figure, there is a group interaction. This group interaction. In this group interaction, there are 4 methods. That is a idea generation, idea organization, prioritizing, and the policy development. The idea generation is happen with the help of the brainstorming topics, then group outliner, etc. While organization of idea is done using idea organizer, system issue analyzer, or a group writer. Prioritizing of any task is done using the board selection or the questionnaire or the group matrix. The policy development is done using the policy formation with the stakeholder ID. The first step in the group system tools is a session planning. The session planning is done by the session manager, and in the session planning, this all group interactions work is performed, and these all session planning work is stored in a organizational memory. And organizational memory are used for enterprise analyzer, graphic browser, group dictionary, and these informations are to access for the personal productivity and for to achieve the objective of the organization. Now let's discuss the components of GDSS. There are 3 components. First is a hardware, second is a software, and third is a people. Hardware including conference facilities and the electronic hardware such as the systems as well as the softwares required for the internet connection, all these. Next, this is a software tool. This including electronic questionnaire, brainstorming tool, idea organizations, some voting tools, stakeholder identification and analysis tool, and privacy formation tools and the group dictionaries. The third component is a people. People refers not only to participant but also to a trained facilitator and often to a staff that supports the hardware and the software. Now let's discuss functions of GDSS applications. GDSS applications are used in various industries for various different tasks. First is predicting decision outcomes, identifying factors and trends of the organization, developing model for the business processes for taking the quick and the unbiased decisions, computing optimum mixes, facilitating good communication, collaboration and teamwork. This collaboration and teamwork is a main important objective of the GDSS. Determining sensitivity of results to changes in the decision variables, and also its use in becoming familiar with the problem domain. Now let's discuss business value of GDSS. Using GDSS, productivity can increase with increase in the number of attendees. As many as participants participated in a group meeting or group decision support system, there is a chances that productivity of the system is increases. More collaborative atmosphere for guaranteeing contributors anonymity. GDSO software tools follow structured methods for preserving results of meetings. It means no any the valuable points that discussed in meeting is missed, enabling non-identities to locate needed into after the meeting. GDSS meetings can increase number of ideas generated and quality of decisions while producing the desired results in a fewer meetings. It also leads to more participative and democratic decision making. Means all the participants that participated in GDSS, they have right to give their idea and the democratic decision making is done. It is also useful for tasks involving idea generation, complex problem solving, and it also used for large group decision making purposes. Now let's discuss the executive decision support system. This decision support system is used by the top level management in any business organization. EDSs help senior managers with unstructured problems that occur at the strategic level of the firm. It also combining the internal and the external sources of informations. EDSs is also helps to monitor the organizational performance, task activities of the competitors, spot problems, identify opportunities, and forecast the trends of the organization. EDSS is also known as the Executive Support System ESS and Executive Information System EIS. Now let's discuss some benefits of EDSS. EDSS increases organizational control, reveals new approaches to thinking about the problem space, encourage, encourages exploration and discovery on the part of the decision maker, creates a competitive advantage over competition. EDS's capabilities. It follows a drill down ability to go to details at the several levels of the information. Critical success factors, most critical for success of the business. Means it is helpful for solving the critical problems of the business organization. It also helps in as a key performance indicator. A status access, latest data available on the knowledge process, means EDSS work on the works to develop a knowledge process that is helpful for the status access. It also helpful in the trend analysis, means short, medium and long term trend of the knowledge process. EDSS uses ad hoc analysis, means the analysis that made any time upon the demand of the business. It also have the capability of exception reporting, means report the highlight deviations larger than the certain threshold values. Now let's discuss the architecture or the of the ESS. There are different ESS in a particular organization. All DSS have the menus, some graphics interface, communication mediums, and the local processing system. These all workstations deals with the internal and external informations or data, where the internal data includes the TPS, that is a transaction processing data, or the MIS, management information data. It might be possible there are some financial data, office system, and modeling and analysis. External data combines the Dow Jones, internet news feeds, and the Standard Poor's. There are various types of decision support system. In our this lecture series, we have discussed the decision support system, the group decision support system, executive information support system. There are also various types like knowledge systems and the transaction processing system. In every organization, these all information systems or all decision support systems interrelations among each other to share the information, and the objective is to build a rich knowledge base so that there is a chances that every decision benefits the business. In this lecture, we have discussed the group decision support system and executive decision support system. On the basis of these topics, I give you questions as an assignment. First question is to write a short note on GDSS, and second is to write a short note on EDSS. Thank you all. Please like, subscribe and comment your suggestions. Thank you.